Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady and I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create quick and easy Happy Diwali round cards. First, I've got two sets of alphabet dies from Tonic Studio, and to create our base, I'm going to use circular box and card builder cutting die set from Card Making Magic, and I'm also going to die cut our focal element. I'm also going to need Lacy Octagon Mandala 6 by 6 inches, cutting die set from Card Making Magic, and that will be our background panel for today's project. With the big circle, I'm going to die cut it twice from white card 300 GSM and one from any card color you want. And with our beautiful mandala, I'm going to put those two dies together, and the same with the smaller element. I'm going to use low tack tape just to make sure the dies don't move when I put them through my die cutting machine. And now you can see all the panels die cut using all those colors. So basically you need two white circles, one colored circle, then background mandala and smaller focal element. Using my scoreboard, I'm going to create a small flap at the top, and when we put those two white circles together, we're going to have a base for our card. And to adhere them together, I'm going to use my one and only magic glue, liquid glue, because this is really beautiful and amazing glue that works perfectly fine in any card making projects. And you still have time to maneuver all those elements if you're not happy with the placement. And again, I'm going to use the same liquid glue to adhere all the other elements here. In the top right corner, you can also check my other project where I created Diwali cards using alcohol inks. I really want you to experiment with colors this year and different shapes for your Diwali cards. Now, going back to my project, I'm going to use double-sided foam adhesive just to give my focal element a little bit more dimension, and I encourage you to do the same. As you can see, my double-sided foam adhesive just finished, so I need to restock the tape for my next project. And as usual, I put a little bit of liquid glue just to make sure that it never will dry and it will be perfectly adhered all the time. Now, using my cutting dies from Tonic Studio, I'm going to die cut my sentiment using gold mirror card, and all the names of the products I use in today's video will be in the description down below, so you can check them out if you're interested. And as usual, when I put the sentiment on my card, I start with the middle letter first and then go to the right side and then the left hand side. And I really encourage you to do the same because it is the best trick I found out during card making. Now, it wouldn't be me if I didn't add any gold gems, so I'm going to add them on my background panel and also the focal element. And my question is, do you have your favorite small gems for your card making? Please let me know in the comments down below. And also, what do you think about this color combination for Diwali card? Do you like it? Would you like to give it a go? I think it's really nice and bright, and I just love it. That's why I decided to use that color combination. Here I'm applying a little bit of liquid glue. I just made sure I didn't put it on the top because we don't want our top panel to adhere to the back base. And now our card can stand. If you want, you can cut a little bit of the back later on using your scissors. Now I've got a scrap piece of paper, which is exactly the same we use for our card base, which is 300 GSM stamping card. And I'm going to use anti-static bag and VersaMarker to draw a light here. Yes, the candlelight for Diwali. I know it is transparent and you can't really see, but it is the best way to emboss any image you want, because I don't have a stamp for Diwali candle, so I thought that would be the best option. So I literally just use my VersaMarker and I'm going to use gold embossing powder by Do Crafts. It is my favorite gold embossing and I think it stands out so beautifully, and it also matches the gold gems we use for the project. And as usual, I'm going to use my heat tool and I heat it for about 10 seconds before I put it on my card and make sure that embossing powder melts beautifully. Now I'm going to use zig markers, and all the names of them will be in the description down below so you can check them out. I really like the way how they blend together on a stamping card. These are watercolor markers and they just blend beautifully. Here you don't really need any wet paintbrush to move the colors around because the card is perfect for this project. And if your nib gets a little bit of different color, as you can see, I just scribbled a little bit of color on the side and we can use the same color of the pen. Now I'm using my scissors to fussy cut our candle, and as usual I'm going to put my liquid glue on the back and adhere the candle on the front panel. Super quick and easy. Please let me know, what do you think about this round card for Diwali? It is my first time when I use that type for card for Diwali, and I'm really interested what do you think. Here you can also check my other cards I created using the same template but a little bit different colors. Please let me know which one is your favorite. On the left and on the right you can also check my other very colorful projects, and I hope you'll like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good day and happy crafting. Bye for now!